Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to enable raise to wake on Vivo phone. Friends, we want to enable raise to wake on your Vivo phones and how to enable raise to wake and how to use it. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting to enable raise to wake. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Vivo phone. So friends, click on Vivo phone shortcut and accessibility setting. After the shortcut setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Vivo phone. Friends, click on smart function setting, screen off setting. Friends, you can see smart screen on and off setting. Friends, click here. Friends, you can see first is raise to wake setting. So we will enable raise to wake. So guys, when the screen is off, pick up the phone and to turn on. Friends, you can see to turn it on automatically. So friends, your screen will on automatic. First guys, we will lock guys our phone screen, and friends now guys when you will pick up guys your Vivo phone, so your screen will on automatic. Friends, you can check the screen will on automatic off. As you can see screen is off, so when we will pick up our Vivo phone the screen will on automatic. So we call it raise to wake setting. As after enable you can use like that on your Vivo phone device. Friends, you don't want to use raise to wake setting as direct, friends you can search here raise to wake, RAI as if we will search here raise to. Click here raise to wake setting. Friends, you don't want to use, friends click here raise to wake will disable. And friends now friends you cannot use raise to wake on your Vivo phone device. Friends, you can see when we'll pick up our phone guys screen will not on automatic on Vivo phone device. So like that friends we can enable raise to wake, and friends we can use it on Vivo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.